Hi guys, I'm Jean and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to combine shapes in Illustrator iPad. So I'm going to start by selecting two of these shapes and going to the Pathfinder icon on the right, selecting the first one, which is Combine All, and then as you can see it's combined both of the shapes together. I'm then going to go back a step and go to the next option from the Pathfinder tool, which is minus front, and it's obviously removed the shape in the front and created this moon shape. I'm now going to go back a step again and go to the next one, which you can use, and that's intersect. So it divides where the two shapes intersect. And then I'm going to go back a step and select exclude overlap, and that basically removes the part of the shape that overlaps. And I'm going to go back a step again, and the last one is divide all, and that basically, as it says, it divides the shape up into pieces. So where it meets, it divides it up into bits, so you can use that to do that if that's what you're looking for. You can also use the shape builder tool, so you can use it to combine parts of the shape or the whole shape together. It's up to you. Well, that's it guys. If you found this helpful, make sure you drop me a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.